Pondicherry University, established in 1985, it has received an overall rating of 4 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com. How are the MSc courses here? Let's find out in this detailed college review. Starting right off with placements rated 3.5 out of 5 stars. 2,825 students graduated from the 2-year PG program in 2022-23. Of these, 1,592 students secured placements, while 477 students opted for higher studies. Students report that the campus attracts a diverse pool of recruiters, including Axis Bank, Fortis, Vedanta, HDFC, and leading pharmaceutical companies such as Syngenta, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, and GVK. Mathematics and statistics graduates secure positions as managers and analysts, while bioinformatics students are recruited as junior bioinformaticians. Electronic media students land creative roles such as program producer, designer, editor, RJ, and sound audiographer. Many MSc graduates also pursue teaching careers. However, there are limited placement opportunities in specialized fields like molecular biology and geophysics. The median salary for 2023 placements was 6.5 lakh per annum, showing a steady increase in the recent years. When compared to Annamalai University, Pondicherry University offers higher median salaries. Internship opportunities vary. Physics and statistics students generally have access to on-campus internships, but bioinformatics students face challenges securing similar opportunities. Regarding academics, Pondicherry University offers a 4-star rated MSc program with 17 specializations, including microbiology and electronic media. To be eligible, candidates must have a minimum of 50 to 55% in their undergraduate studies, with admissions based on CUET PG scores. Competition is intense in specializations like applied psychology, biochemistry, microbiology, and applied geology based on CUET 2024 PG cutoffs. As for the cost, the total course fees for the 2 years varies from 43,000 rupees to 70,000 rupees depending on the chosen specialization. Additionally, the annual hostel and mess charges amounts to around 23,500. Scholarships including merit-based and merit-cum-means options are available for eligible students. Moving on now to the 4.1-star rated infrastructure. Spread across 800 acres, the university is just 10 kilometers away from Puducherry town. Students commend the modern facilities including smart air-conditioned classrooms, well-equipped labs, libraries, and campus-wide Wi-Fi. The university also has a central instrumentation facility, an animal house, and a multimedia research center. Hostels are available with 10 boys hostels and 7 girls hostels for postgraduate students, offering double and triple sharing rooms. Rent-free housing is provided for differently abled and reserved category students. Both the hostel and mess facilities receive positive feedback from students. Sports enthusiasts benefit from a range of facilities including tennis, basketball and volleyball courts, football and hockey fields, and a gymnasium. Additionally, on-campus medical facilities ensure the well-being of students. Turning to faculty and course, rated 4.2 stars. Students appreciate the qualified and experienced faculty, many holding PhDs. The university maintains a regularly updated industry-relevant curriculum. To pass, students must maintain 75% attendance and score at least 50% marks. Research opportunities are extensive with collaborations with international institutions like National Chi-Nan University in Taiwan and Frankfurt University of Applied Sciences in Germany. Moving on now to the campus life, which is rated 4.3 stars. The university offers various clubs for music, dance, photography, sports, startups, and personality developments. Events like the Heritage Festival and other cultural and sports programs add to the vibrant atmosphere. Lastly, in the NIRF 2024 rankings, Pondicherry University is currently ranked in the 101 to 150 band for universities. For more details on Pondicherry University, Kalapet, Puducherry, and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We did like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.